We're going to tie a knot at the center using rubber band, and then we're going to further divide it. Make the ears and legs of the teddy bear, paste eyes and smiley face and heart as well, and look how cute these are looking. Let's recycle old plastic bottle and make this colorful craft. So cut the base and make multiple cut on the top. Spread it like this and make the edges pointy. Now make colorful clay balls and put all of them on the top of the edges. Now paste the base like we're doing here, and look, it is ready. Let's cut the center part of this jar and paste top and base together. Now we're going to put the lid as well. Now cut these wings and then we're going to paste all of them together. Look how cute this is looking. It is looking like a hen. Paste googly eyes and put the fairy light inside. Your hanging is ready. Cut this plastic bottle into half, make multiple cut and make the edges pointy. Now we are going to put these colorful clay balls inside them. After this we are going to spread the base bottle as well and make this flower shape. After this we are going to put the hanging and frill. Paste both of them together, put fairy light, and look how cute this hanging is looking. Here we are going to recycle this egg crate and make a cute little doll hanging. As you can see, we are going to cut these different shapes. Let's color it. We are using red and black color. After this, make a hole. Put the hanging like we are doing here in this video. Now put each piece together like this. Draw the eyes and smiley face. We're also drawing a beautiful flower using airbird, and look, these are ready. We are going to make beautiful flowers out of this plastic bottle. So we are going to cut the plastic bottle into half and cut the flower shape. After this, we are going to make more such flowers and put all of them together. You can put lights like this. Here we are going to make a hole on this plastic container and put this red thread. Now we are going to make the flower shape using pink craft paper, and then we are going to paste it around the container using double-sided tape. Your flower is ready. Spread each petals and then we are going to color it white. We are going to paste the ears, and look how cute this hanging is looking. You can also put fairy light inside. Look at this fun craft. So we are going to use 3 plastic bottles and straw. Paste 2 plastic bottles together and put a straw like we are doing here. Make a hole on another plastic bottle and put it at the top. After this, we are going to secure each straw using hot glue gun like we are doing here. Make this flower shape and put it on the top of it. Fill it with water, and look, your fun craft is ready. Thank you so much for watching this.
Welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a white sheet and then take the leaves and paste it. Now take the empty walnut shells, color it, and then make the patterns on it. So here we are making the ladybirds. Now fix few more as such, make its mouth, make its legs, and it's ready. Next we'll take the orange peel and cut it from the between. Now cut it from the sides to give it a shape of a flower. Make few more as such and paste them. Put the yellow side on the top in the between. Make the stems and leaves using the marker. Make the ladybird on the top using red color paper, and it's ready. Next, take a white paper and then cut the leaves like this and paste it on the white sheet using the double-sided tape. Now take the empty peanut shell. Now color it or just paste it first, and then make the eyes and legs of the birds. Make its beak, and it's ready. Next, we will take the white paper and paste the bushy leaves on it. Now take the empty walnut shells, color it using red color, and make the patterns over it. So here we are making a ladybird, paste it, and then make its mouth, draw its legs like this, and it's ready. Next, take the shell like this and paste it on the white sheet. Make the eyes, ears of the wolf, color its mouth like this, make its body using the paper, and then make its tail, color it, make its glasses using the leaves like this under it, make a butterfly on the top, and it's ready. Next, take the clay balls, roll it like this, and then paste it on the sheet. Now make the neck of the swan, make its eyes. Now make the leaves on the top using green color marker, and make the leaves using the clay, and make some water lines, and it's ready. Next, take the seeds like this and paste it on the white sheet as shown in the video. Now make the eyes and the crown of the hen, make its beak and legs. Now paste the chicks around it using the empty peanut shell, make the grasses, and it's ready. Next, take a white sheet and draw the tree on it like this. Make the branches of the tree. Now apply the double-sided tape and paste the leaves to make the tree. Now decorate it using the different clays as shown in the video. Make a star on the top, put some paper pieces around it, and it's ready. Next, take the empty peanut shell and paste it on the white sheet. Now draw the lines like this, make the legs of the giraffe, make its ears, draw its eyes. Now we will make a baby giraffe near it, and it's ready. Next, we will take a white sheet and then draw the shape like this. Now take the dry bushy leaves and paste it on the back of it as shown in the video. So here we are making a hen. Make its crown on the head, make its eyes, leg, make the baby hens or the chicks near it using empty peanut shells, and it's ready. Next, take a white sheet and draw the star on it like this. Now make the snowflake out of it. Now apply the glue over it like this and draw the lines first and then apply the glue. Sprinkle the salt or sugar over it like this and then put the colors using blue color watercolor like this, and your snowflake is ready. Next, take a white sheet and then put the clay over it using the fingers. Now make the body of the peacock, make its beak, eyes, and then make its leg. Decorate it, make the grasses near it, and it's ready. Next, take a white sheet and take the leaves, cut it into small pieces and then sprinkle it over the white sheet like this, applying the glue on the sheet. Now after that, we will take big pieces of the leaves and paste it. Now take the black color clay and then make the balls out of it and make the ants on the white sheet, and it's ready. Next, take a straw and cut it from the between like this and then spread it. Now take the color on it and then paste it on the white sheet and make the imprints. Now make the bouquet or the flower vase using the blue color paper cup, paste it, and it's ready. Thanks for watching.